Today we are going to train your English voice to use superlatives. Some words change depending on what we are describing. For example, let's take a look at the word old. We use the superlative oldest if we are describing an object, but we use the superlative eldest if we are describing a family member. Let's have a look at the sentence examples. Sentence 1. This is the oldest cinema in the country. Here we are describing an object, the cinema, so we use the superlative oldest. Sentence 2. My eldest sister is a songwriter. Here we are describing a family member, my sister, so we use the superlative eldest. To form superlatives, we add est to the end of short adjectives or most in front of longer adjectives. Normally, we use the in front of superlatives as well. Let's have a look at sentence 1. He is the greatest performer in the world. The adjective is great. It's a short word, so we add est to the end of it. And we use the before the superlative. The greatest. Sentence 2. She is the most beautiful dancer on stage. So the adjective is beautiful. This is a longer word, so we add most in front of the adjective and we add the in front of most. The most beautiful. After superlatives, we usually use in with places. Let's have a look at the sentence example. This is the oldest cinema in the country. Here we are talking about a place, the country, so we use the word in after the superlative and the noun. This is the oldest cinema in the country. After superlatives, we usually use of when talking about time periods. Let's have a look at the sentence example. He was the most talented painter of all time. So here we are talking about a time period, all time. So we use the word of after the superlative and the noun. He is the most talented painter of all time. The present perfect tense is often used after superlatives. Let's have a look at this example. That was the best performance I have ever seen. So have seen is the present perfect tense, and we are using it after the superlative, the best performance. Excellent job with using superlatives. Well done. Goodbye.